There are some skills required to be software testing professional. We generally start our software testing career from manual testing, which is very important part of testing profession. We have various types of testing like automation testing, performance testing, security testing, database testing, and various other type of testing. But manual testing is first stage of software testing profession, and it is desired to become software testing professional. But there are certain skills that are required to be manual testing professional. Although it is considered to be non-technical when we consider in terms of other types of testing like automation testing, performance testing, and various other type of testing. But it is very important to have these skills in order to perform manual testing and become software testing professional. Skills required to become software testing professional or software tester. There are many advantages of software testing when we choose to make it as a career because it is not limited to a particular technology. When we talk in terms of manual testing, there is always job in market for software testing. Till the time there will be software development, there will be software testing. Chances of getting job are very high. Below are some of the points which needs to be focused to become software tester. These are some technical and non-technical requirements of software testing which are given as below. But especially when we talk in terms of manual testing, non-technical requirements are major requirements. So some of the testing types such as manual testing do not require technical skill to be software testing professional. Some of testing types such as manual testing do not require technical skill to be software testing professional, and some of the requirements to be manual testing are as given below. Analytical skill. This type of skill help us better analyze the requirement and prepare test cases accordingly, laying good foundation for software testing. We will talk about our test cases later on, but for now let us understand that test cases are required to describe testing scenario. Next is communication skill. It is most important requirement for being software testing professional because software testing professionals need to deal with the development team as well as the client, and on many occasions there is requirement of better communication skill to make test plan and test strategies as well as test cases as well as defect report presentable to the client. Testers can present to the relevant stakeholders only if they have good communication skill. Next skill is time management and organizational skills. It is very important aspect of software testing because time management and organizational skill is required at many times, especially during the release of code for testing. Software testing professionals may be required to handle intense workload at some of the times, exhibiting maximum time management and organizational skills. Next is great attitude. Next one is organizational skill. After organizational skill, next skill is great attitude. Software testing professionals need to be very willing to learn new technologies and skills which can allow software testing professionals to suggest process improvement and update themselves with the changing technologies. These are all skills are required to deliver defect-free quality product to the client. Next is passion. Passion is very important non-technical skill required for software testing. It is very important requirement of software test to be software testing professional because they are required to be passionate. Unless and until they have passion for this profession, they cannot perform efficiently. One should try to make software testing career only if he or she has interest in it. So this is very important. So we have seen in this tutorial all the necessary skills required to be software testing professional and especially manual testing. These are the skills that are required to be a software testing professional. We need to focus on these skills in order to be a good software testing professional.